Hi, I'm Stephanie. This is my G Suite account. Did you know that with the new addition of shared contacts for Gmail, you can share your contacts directly from your Google Contact Manager? As you can see here, shared contacts for Gmail is integrated with my Google Contacts, and there's a share icon you can click directly from your label, and you can invite whichever users you'd like. Additionally, we have added new permissions such as can share and owner. The can share permission is very practical if you work with big teams. This will allow you to reshare the label and not have to return to the owner of that label to share it with others. You can just share it yourself. And the owner permission can allow a user to transfer ownership of the label. This is very practical if someone is about to leave a company. They could just transfer ownership of that label and make for an easy and smooth transition out of the company. Sharing directly from your Google Contact Manager with the Chrome extension has three main advantages. One being that the sync is 3 times faster this way. Because of the direct integration with Google, the sync detects every change made automatically, so you won't have to wait 15 minutes for the sync to come through. Additionally, you won't have to juggle between multiple open windows, as you won't have to open the app's interface, and you'll be able to stay in a familiar environment and have the contact sharing easily accessible. Additionally, with the new addition of shared contacts for Gmail, when you share a label with a group, you'll be able to see all the contacts in that group. For example, so as you can see, I just shared with the marketing department. If I click on the icon on the left, you'll be able to see the members of that Google group. Also, in the new edition of Shared Contacts for Gmail, we have a new interface for the app that makes sharing a lot more accessible and easy. For example, we have renamed groups into labels, as you see here. We also have a search bar where you can search for the different labels you have. This is really useful if you have a lot of different labels. You can see the status of the label to see if it's shared or not shared. There's a button here that you can share directly from the label. Also, we have the same new permissions on the app's interface. Additionally, if you want to adjust your subscription to your G Suite domain, you can now simply enable the Auto Adjust button, which you can find by pressing Subscription. This button will adapt the number of users you have in your G Suite domain. It will avoid you having to add them manually. You will also save expenses if the number of users in your G Suite domain decreases, as it will adapt to your subscription at your next renewal. Furthermore, you can now see who are the licensed users and how many licenses you still have available by clicking on the dashboard. You can upgrade by clicking here or by downloading our app from the Chrome Web Store. Thanks so much for watching.